Welcome to another edition of App of the Week. Today we're going to review how to access Compass Learning both from home as well as from an iPad. So we're going to make sure that everyone is clear on how to do this. And I've even solicited the help of a few of my friends to help me out. So to start from, we're going to do this from home, and we're just going to open up a web browser. I'm going to open up Google Chrome, and I'm going to go to the CMS website. So that's going to be www.cms.k12.nc.us. And once I get to the browser or get to the website, I'm going to go down to where I see quick links, and I'm going to select Student Portal. And once I get there, I'm going to see the student application options. I'm going to scroll down until I find Compass Learning. I'm going to select Compass Learning. And that is going to bring me to the Clever login. So when students want to log into this, they're going to put for their username, they're going to put CMS Sites with the backslash. That's CMS Sites. Backslash. Thank you. And just to review one more time, when teachers or students want to log in, their username is going to be CMS Sites. That's CMS Sites. Backslash. Right, with the backslash. You want to make sure everybody gets that right. The backslash is probably going to be that button that's going to be right below your delete button on your desktop. So once you enter your username in there and your password, that will log you into Clever and get you into the applications. Remember, teachers and students will both log in the same way using that CMS Sites backslash and then putting in their username and then their password. Once you have put your username and password in, that's going to log you into Clever, which will now get you into Compass Learning, and now you will be able to begin using Compass Learning from home. Now, to access Compass Learning, we are going to get to this particular tool through a different app called Puffin Academy. You're going to need to put Puffin Academy as an app on your device. You can find it in the App Store, and that's going to how you access Compass Learning. So I'm going to go to Puffin Academy. You'll see there's an example. That's what it will look like, and it will bring me here. So the first thing I'm going to need to do when I get to Puffin Academy is I'm going to click the Puffin Academy portal, and that'll bring me here. And then in the search bar up in the top right hand corner, I'm just going to type in the word Charlotte. Once that's typed in, I'm going to hit return, and it's going to pull this up for me. And then one of the options I'm going to see is the CMS Student Portal. I'm going to select that and then select Install. I'm going to select OK. And now the Student Portal is now an option under my Puffin Academy app. So now when I click on that Student Portal, it's going to bring me to the CMS Student Portal. And now the great thing is whenever I go to Puffin Academy, that Student Portal piece will always be there. So now I can click on Compass Learning, and then I can log into Clever again with CMS Sites backslash, and then the students would put their student ID number, and then they would put whatever their password is, their network password is, whatever they use to log into their desktop. Once they do that, they will then have access to their Compass Learning, where they can begin interacting with the content right here in Compass Learning. Now, some of you may have more than one student in your household that is attending CMS schools. So one of the things that you're going to want to learn how to do is to close the app. Because if you do not close the app, then when one student clicks on or follow these directions to get to Dreambox or Compass Learning, they may see the previous student's info in there, and we want to avoid that by closing the app. So I'm just going to walk you through some simple directions on how to do that. First of all, I'm just going to click on my home button on my iPad. Then I'm going to double click on the home button, and that will bring me here where I can just swipe up. And by swiping up, I'm closing up all the apps. We're going to see all the applications that I have still open, and I can just swipe up to close the app. And that's just a simple way to avoid students seeing other students' information. So hopefully this video helps you out with how to access Compass Learning from home and from an iPad. Remember that accessing Compass Learning from a school and from home on an iPad is the same. So hopefully this video clears up any confusions with that. Very special thank you to all my friends who helped me with the backslash in the video. We appreciate all your help and enjoy.